Today, I'm going to show you how to get fire from water. Many are probably thinking like it's not possible because water extinguishes fire, but if you know how to use it and you have the right stuff, you can make fire. And so we're not going to get full flame today, but I'm going to show you how to get a little tiny ember, which you will put inside a bundle of tinder. Oxygen will provide enough to get it going in the flame. So most everybody carries water with them when they're out on a hike. They need it to drink. Feels good, cooling, and somebody usually always carries a snack with them when they go. And sometimes they put them in a little Ziploc baggie. So these are the two items you need. Well, and of course, you need the wonderful sunshine. So what we need to do is you take your water, put it in a bag, just like this, okay? When you hold it, you want about that much, okay? You can go a little bit more if you want, but that'll suffice. Take your corners, bring them up, like that. Bunch it all together, and I already have one of these set up, but what you want to do is you twist it. And of course, there's going to be some water that comes out, okay? You keep twisting and twisting. And what we're going for is to make a sphere. You don't want to twist too hard or else it's going to blow up. But this is what we're looking for, okay? Let me set that aside. Something else you're going to need, something to burn. We're not going to try to light this piece of wood on fire, but what we are going to do, as you can see right here, I already started. I got a pile of shavings. Dead wood, dead dry wood is going to shave off the best, okay? Something that's going to break apart real easy. What we're going to do is just make a nice pile of just wood shavings, really fine, okay? Now we're going to brush them into a pile, okay? Wind's blowing a little bit, so you want to try to keep it protected and not blowing everywhere. So, and then of course you're going to have your tinder bundle next to you along with what you're going to use to keep your fire sustained. So let me grab our little magnifying glass, because this is basically what we're doing, okay? Again, you want a nice sphere-like bag, I don't know what you would call it. You want it to look like this, okay? Just angle it just right. We're going to bring it closer and closer so you can concentrate that beam. You're just going to let it sit there for a second. And after just a few minutes, and if you're really good at it, just a few seconds. Just like this. But once you get smoke, you don't want to let up. Kind of move that concentrated beam around just a tiny bit, because what we're going for is a nice big ember. And once you got a nice size little coal right there, you can keep trying to pull that away, and if we still have smoke like we do, then we're good. And so what we can do is take a little bit of this, sprinkle it on top, and just kind of feed it. And if it goes out, don't worry. I still see a little bit of smoke coming, but we'll add some more heat to it. Get her going again. There we go. This is what we're talking about. And so then what you're going to do after that gets going for a minute, and you know you got a nice cool, what you're going to do, you're going to transfer that to your tinder bundle, slowly blow on it until you get a flame, and then that's what you're going to use to sustain your fire.